MarkSnip is a Chrome extension that allows you to convert any web page into a Markdown file format. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and as you can see, you can simply download it from the Chrome Web Store. When you do, this user guide will open up, which appears very robust. Props to the team for making these docs or this user guide very extensive. So it makes it quite clear exactly how you can actually use MarkSnip, and how you can also customize it and change any of the settings as well. So I'm gonna dive right into this. Of course, I'm here on my website. I've pinned it to my extensions toolbar, and I'm just gonna click on MarkSnip here. And as you can see, we've basically got everything, pretty much everything laid out here very neatly, which I think is really cool. We've got all the links to the images that are here at the top in that carousel. We've got all the text here on the website itself as well. We can see that today is day 519. Well, not necessarily this episode, but the day I'm shooting this, I'm recording this video, or recording my voice more accurately. Of course, it's going to be an AI avatar speaking, or at least doing the visuals for this, and you can see all the text that's written here, which I think is very cool. This could be a great way to make sure you're actually preserving as much context. You can easily download it, and effectively you can actually use this to preserve more context about a particular website as you're actually, let's say, coding or in any sort of conversation with an LLM. Now, I think this is a great way, as I mentioned earlier, to preserve more context because having it in a Markdown file format.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
It tends to be pretty good for most large language models. So definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.